Good morning, happy Wednesday. Today's Peripheral Action Heart Workout is going to, I already did my 30 minutes on the elliptical. Level 20, elevation 3. I walked 3 miles this morning, about 5:15, 5:30. And I did my 4 sets of decline sit-ups for abs. So today's weightlifting workout is going to be leg extensions, medium to heavy. For back, I'm going to be doing barbell rows. For front deltoids, I'm going to just do barbell military press in front of the neck. And then for shoulders today, I'm going to be doing rear band rows for rear deltoid delts. And and for side delts, I'm going to be doing chair press, dumbbell chair press. And let's get started. Got a stretch for my break. A little tight, a little sore from the last 2 days too. My husband, he goes, yesterday he goes, what if they think you're drinking a beer? Anyway, this is Waterloo distilled sparkling water, and this is watermelon flavor. I like it. It's got a little fizz carbonation, but it's the only sparkling distilled water I could find. I get it at, I think Target has it, Smith's has it, and Whole Foods has it in a 12-pack. Target and Smith's have it in an 8-pack. So I just load up a bunch of that and pretty much drink this all day long. 30 seconds. I'm gonna take a 3-minute break after that one. I couldn't get as many reps in with a 2-minute break. And I'll stop filming for now and I'll finish the rest of my sets, but you have a wonderful Wednesday. Hump day.